Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use a filter from a video in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera, so let's go find out some video with some effect. Let me search some. Okay, let's search time off. This is a trending filter now. Okay, so look for these videos. If you will see the effect icon. Okay, so as you can see, this is the effect icon. Tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there and you can use the effect from there. And you got the effect. Let me make this cup smaller likewise. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effects from a video in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.